Hi, I'm Ashley, and I'm here to help guide you through daily mood charts. So, what is a daily mood chart? Daily mood charts are a great way for clients to keep track of their mood throughout the day. Clients can check their fluctuating moods and identify recurring negative ones to transform into positive. This is in addition to identifying any triggers that may be contributing to troubling or concerning emotions. This is a common problem, especially for those with anxiety or depression who can ruminate over feelings at night. Clients can also evaluate their progress over time and assess the effectiveness of treatment on their mental health. Like a calendar, clients can check off emotions throughout the day to increase self-awareness when it comes to emotional regulation. They can be used by a variety of mental health care professionals, including social workers, counsellors, and more. Here's how to use a daily mood chart effectively. The first step is to download and distribute to the patient. You'll then need to tick off emotions that match moods at each time period. If there's no prominent emotion that the client is feeling, feel free to leave it blank. To view a sample of the daily mood chart, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download it for free. You can also access the chart on our platform, filter by community and by notes or assessment, and you can also type in the keywords to find the note faster. Edit however you wish and click Publish to complete. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe to Carepatron to gain access to more healthcare videos.